How do you manage app permissions in macOS? Imagine your Mac as a fortress guarding your personal information. Every app is a visitor, and you decide who gets in and what they can see. Managing app permissions is your way to control this access. It's a simple process but powerful for keeping your data safe. To start, open the system settings by clicking the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen. From there, select the Privacy and Security section. Here, you will see a list of permission categories like location services, camera, microphone, screen recording, files and folders, contacts, calendars, accessibility, and full disk access. These categories cover most of the system features apps might want to access. Click on any category to see which apps have requested permission. You can then toggle permissions on or off based on your comfort level. For example, if you don't want a web browser to access your location, turn that permission off. If a video conferencing app needs your microphone, make sure it's enabled. Permissions for camera and microphone are especially important. They let apps use your video and audio input devices. Only grant these to apps you trust, like FaceTime or Zoom. Screen recording permission allows apps to capture your screen, which is useful for presentations but sensitive for privacy. Full disk access is the most powerful permission, giving apps the ability to read and write across your entire system. Only give this to trusted backup or security software. Accessibility permission allows apps to control your Mac for remote access or automation. Only trusted apps should have this. Location services are used by apps like Maps or weather apps to show your current location. Grant access only when needed. Personal data like photos, files and folders, contacts, and calendars should be shared only if the app's function requires it. If you change your mind later, you can always revisit these settings and revoke permissions. macOS will prompt apps again if they need access after you turn permissions off. For larger organizations or advanced users, macOS offers Privacy Preferences Policy Control Profiles. These let administrators manage permissions remotely across many devices, making it easier to keep everything secure. Compared to other operating systems, macOS offers a detailed and user-friendly way to manage app permissions. It allows you to customize access for each app and each resource, giving you more control over your privacy. You might allow a photo editing app access to your Photos library but deny it access to your entire disk. Or you could permit a navigation app to use your location only when you're actively using it. This way, you keep your data safe and only share what's necessary. Managing app permissions in macOS is straightforward and designed to give you control. It helps you decide what apps can see and do, making your Mac more secure and your personal information protected.